Hey, Dana here, and it's my blog for this week, and I've been concentrating on this. This is an electrical receptacle, and this is what can happen if you put too many things in one socket, depending on how the wiring in the house is. You may not know how the wiring is set up. Now, in this case, got this socket here, and they're have them run together. This one here runs to this one here, and then it also runs to this one here. And as you can see, we had a little bit of a electrical fire in there, and it wasn't that there was too many things in the one socket. It was due to too many sockets being run together. This is also not only plugged into there, but it also takes care of the lights. So you've got one wire running two sets of lights and three receptacles, and this one even has one that's up above here that's also connected to it. So just to be on the safe side, don't overload your circuits. We have two lights and one up here, and they all run off of a 120 breaker. So depending on how old the house is, when the house, this is an 1820 house and it was rewired, so sometimes you just gotta not overload circuits, and you hope that if you do, the circuit breaker will pop. Unfortunately, in this case, it did not, and the receptacle itself, and I think maybe because the receptacle itself was really not designed for that type of situation. So all I can say is just don't overload your circuit breaker or overload your receptacles. So anyway, that's my blog for today, and if you have problems like this, definitely have a professional come in and sort it out for you if you haven't got the background for it. So, alright, catch me on my next blog, and we'll talk to you soon.